basically in initial days, so you want to do a impactful work. So if you're coming that YouTube going to give you something, so that is not going to happen, because like everyone is chasing for money. Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do the English practice, and today basically I'm going to use one trick which I've learned from the book, which is Limitless, and from that onwards, like I have basically observed my videos where I have uploaded on the YouTube, basically on that, just finding like what I can improve in my videos. So that I found out one thing which is very important, is like very crucial for me to becoming a YouTuber, is like consistently working on this platform, because that is the one most important thing if you want to become a YouTuber. So this is the first thing which you need to know about, that your consistency over your work, because as we are a small YouTubers, so we need to keep challenging ourselves, that we want to basically achieve that, and for that every day we should need to basically upload one video. Over that like YouTube algorithm should need to know that we are working on something, and they need to basically focus on ours, like focus on us as well. So that is how you are going to basically achieve some sort of success, if in within 3 to 4 years, because there is nothing like there is nothing which cannot be attainable. So yeah, it is very easy, but it needs to be smart work. Like if you are working like consistently and giving your efforts, so in a day, basically in a one day, you will definitely got it. So from this motivation, I work every day, and I just try to upload one video. But there are some days where I'm not able to upload this video, which is the most important part of my life, basically. And like I've started uploading video for 5 minutes every day. Like this whole thing's become a huge thing, because I never expect that I'm going to upload 600 videos. That is a way more things from my expectation. Just I gone through by flow only. So I build the flow, and then my mind's like consistently work and upload that, because it's become very easy for me. So yeah, if you are basically want to be a YouTuber, so for first of all you need to try to understand that there is a lot of people who want to do it, but within a 5 to 6 months they lose hope, they lose everything. Basically they want to spend too much amount of money, and that is not the case, because if you are coming here to basically create an impact, that is what you want to do basically in the initial days. So you want to do an impactful work. So if you are coming that YouTube going to give you something, so that is not going to happen, because like everyone is chasing for money, nobody is chasing for value. So how much value you can give to others, that is the most important, most crucial part for any YouTuber. So from multiple YouTubers, I am able to get this knowledge, because there is only 1% of them who are earning a huge amount, because they have spent totally a huge crazy amount of time, which like beginner don't want to do it. So yeah, so these all are the things which required to be basically become a YouTuber as well. So if I talk about like multiple people, such as you know, whole YouTubers which are like getting 20 million above, they basically work consistently. They don't focus on their life personally. They want to basically enhance their channel, and they only focus on that as well. So as a working professional, and if you are a learner, you also want to do these things. And the one thing which is very important is focus towards your goals. So this is also most important. Sometimes we lack. So the huge companies doesn't lack on this, because they know if they are not able to focus on that, so they will not able to survive in this competitive market. So yeah, these all things which is very important and very crucial for everyone. So whosoever want to be a YouTuber, basically best of luck to him. And today that is it. And just I want to basically remind myself that I have taken one challenge, which is basically to grow this channel, and let's see how much time I will take basically. So yeah, on this note, that is it. I hope you find it this video helpful. Bye bye, have a great day ahead.